Okay, this is the second video, short video of the tubular reactor. I switched it to a more upright position, basically just for convenience more than anything. And it seems to react about as well in an upright, more upright than it does in the laid over. So what we've been doing is keeping an eye on this thing, and the glycerin layer was kind of staying the same for a long time. What we did was Bob suggested picking the methanol injection point up and pulling it up a few inches. When we did that, the glycerin layer very quickly responded. In fact, I got some time markings here. It was at 8:08 p.m. it was here, and just 9 minutes later it made it up almost an inch, and then another 8 minutes it made it up another inch, and it's only been a few minutes since then. So basically what I've done is I keep retracting the methanol injection point up the tube, and it actually produces more glycerin or more biodiesel. And this is probably because when we had it injecting too low, I'm not 100% sure what's going on here. I'm gonna have to give some thought to it, but it may be that it was interfering with the glycerin somehow. So I gotta think about this a little bit, why it wasn't moving. But the amount of glycerin being produced here is just incredible. Keep in mind that this has no heat applied. This is all at ambient temperatures, and it's like a 65 degree or 70 degrees in here right now. And there's been no heat applied other than this light bulb, which has provided some minimal heating throughout this process. So initially this was charged up with vegetable oil to about here. It's about 43.5 inches up the column, and it had the other about 12 inches of methoxide solution charged, and methoxide is what's been recirculating throughout. And we have yet to see a clear division of biodiesel layer. Not really sure why, and it's still kind of cloudy. It's not exactly crystal clean yet, but it is continuing to generate more glycerin. So I might just leave this set up for a few hours and then shut it down and let it settle. And I'm going to go home and do some homework and figure out what's what. But this is pretty exciting. What do you think?
Way cool. It's going to work in tandem better.
Nice.